Hey everyone, this is Frank. Hey, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I put a video out there on YouTube. Most of my activity on social media has been on Instagram. It's just very quick and easy and simple for me to do with my cell phone in the shop. But today I thought I'd do a short video to show you how I put my drawers together. I kind of build all my drawers the same way. So let's go ahead and I'll put one together and show you how I do it. So that was pretty simple. The back and the three sides are cut the same. So if I'm doing a series of small drawers, kind of like 3-inch, then 4-inch, then 5-inch, then 5 7/8. And I'll show you an update here shortly. But the two sides and the back are exactly the same. I typically make my dado in the bottom for the bottom 1/4 inch plywood about 5/8 an inch away from the bottom. I know it's probably some wasted space. Some people put it 1/4, some people put it 1/2. I just like 5/8. I like a little bit of meat on that, on the sides and the back of the drawer carcass in order to hold the weight of whatever I put into the drawers. Then I go and trim the front piece off to be the exact same size, less the dado, so I could slide the bottom, the 1/4 inch bottom into the drawer as you saw me do it. And then what I do is I check for square, and then if it's square, then I go ahead and drill 5 holes, countersink them a little bit, and then I put screws in. Why do I do it that way? A couple reasons. One, that's a great way to go and square up a drawer. Okay, so the other way is to trim all 4 sides, the fronts and the backs the same, and then as you're assembling the drawer, once you have 3 sides put together, put the back in, and then put the 4th side on, and that's good. It works just fine. Why I don't like that method is if it's out of square, you're going to try to pull it in square, and then you got to keep it, not touch it until the glue dries to make sure the glue squares it up. I find that if the glue breaks, it could come unsquare again. So by using this method that I've used for years, by screwing in that bottom 1/4 plywood into that front piece, it locks it in pretty much to being square. So that's my method. Lots of different methods out there, but that's mine. So thanks for watching this short little video on how I put a drawer together. And I will be posting more videos here this fall. Actually, we're now into winter here in the Northeast. I'll be putting some more videos together and getting it out to YouTube, including my Instagram. So check me out on Instagram under Frank's Wood Designs. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you around the block.